Okay, so I made this video very quickly kasi a lot of people are asking kung papaano daw ba mag-sign electronically. Okay, so a lot of them or a lot of people still don't know how to sign electronically. That's why I decided to create this quick video tutorial. Okay, so here's how. You're going to open up your browser and then go to ilovepdf.com/sign-pdf. And then you'll see this page. And then after that, select the file that you're going to sign. Make sure na naka-PDF. Kasi pag hindi siya naka-PDF, hindi mo siya masa-sign. Okay? So let's see any page na naka-PDF. One moment. Let me get one sa Google. Here, for example, this one. Oh, hold on. Okay, let me download it. Okay, so there you go. Select PDF file, click this. And then a window will pop up kung saan makikita mo doon yung mga file na pwede mong i-upload dito. Or minsan, depende yun sa desktop mo or sa laptop mo. Kung saang folder siya mag-open. So, i-click mo lang dun sa gilid yung here. Like this one. Dito sa gilid, i-click mo lang. For me, dinownload ko siya sa Chrome. So, mapupunta yung file sa downloads. So, I click this, downloads. And then, ito yung dinownload kong file. So, click ko lang to and then open. And then, you'll see this pop-up window. I-click mo lang si Only Me. And then, after that, you need to click this. Pag ito yung pinili mo, you can draw your signature. Yan, ganyan. Something like that. Pag ito naman, pwede kang mag-upload ng signature. So, kung meron kang picture ng signature mo, pwede mo siyang i-upload dito. But make sure na yung background niya ay naka-remove. Okay? Pero kung kaya mo naman mag-draw dito, dito na lang. And then, click apply lang. Oops, don't forget to click your name. Okay, for example, this one. Yan, apply. And then, dito sa gilid, makikita mo yung pirma mo. Okay? So, gagawin mo, ida-drag mo lang to dun sa page. Or, kahit i-click mo lang siya, tapos lalabas siya dito. And then, i-move mo lang siya kung saan mo gustong ilagay yung pirma mo. And then, kung 2 pages yan, i-scroll mo lang, tapos lagay mo lang ulit. Okay? Yan. For example, oh, okay. 1 page lang kasi yung na-download ko. Pero yun, kung maraming pages, scroll mo lang hanggang makarating ka dun sa second page. Tapos i-click mo lang siya ulit para lumabas to. And then drag mo lang ulit. Okay? Tapos, kung pangalan naman, click mo lang yung name, tapos lalabas dito. I-drag mo lang din. Pag nakapirma ka na, just click the sign. Ayan. Tapos nun, okay na. Ida-download mo na yung file. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope nakatulong to sa mga hindi pa sanay pumirma electronically. Thank you so much.